Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to track changes in Google Docs using suggesting mode on your Windows PC. First, open your document at docs.google.com and make sure you are signed in. Next, click the editing drop-down in the top right corner. It may show as a pencil icon. Choose the suggesting button. Choose suggesting. Now, any edit you make will appear as a suggestion instead of permanent changes. Then type or change text as needed. Your edits will show up as highlighted suggestions with a comment in the right margin. This makes it easy for collaborators to review proposed changes without altering the original text. After that, to accept or reject a suggestion, click the suggestion in the document or its box in the right margin. Then choose accept in bracket check or reject. Repeat for each suggestion or review them as you go. Finally, when you are done reviewing, switch the editing mode back to editing to make direct changes, or leave it in suggesting if you want continued review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.